Welcome to Theology in Minutes. Today, we're looking at a kingdom that doesn't just change your beliefs, it flips your world. We live in a world obsessed with climbing ladders, seeking prestige and power. But Jesus announced a kingdom that doesn't just change your beliefs, it inverts your social world. In this kingdom, the least are the greatest, and the first are last. It's a kingdom of service, not domination. The rich are sent away empty, while the hungry are filled with good things. It shatters the assumptions that govern our lives the way things are. To enter this kingdom, we must become like children blind to social hierarchy. Two ladders, side by side. What is valued on one ranks at the bottom of the other. It's a community of spiritual siblings practicing conspicuous sharing. We practice jubilee, forgiving debts instead of hoarding wealth. We take up our basins, ready to bear the social consequences of our witness. We pledge allegiance to a different king, sailing against the prevailing social winds. It isn't an either or, it's a dynamic, active rule breaking into our here and now. Are you scrambling up the ladder, or are you serving at the bottom? Join us in living the upside down life. Subscribe to keep your perspective right side up.